That deja vu feeling today was your brain misfiring, processing new input as an old memory in a split second. Deja vu happens when your temporal lobe briefly misfires, processing new sensory information as an old memory. Your brain generates this false familiarity in less than 500 milliseconds, overriding real-time experience. You just experienced a glitch in your brain's reality filter, happening without your consent. Trust your eyes tonight. Your brain just lied to you about what it saw. Smash that like button, subscribe, and never miss what the fact moments.